the first exercise of this circuit, we have jumping jacks. Ten more seconds, guys. Keep up the good work. The second exercise of this circuit is single leg lift. Lay on your back and spread your arms apart. First, lift your left leg up for 25 seconds. Now, lift your right leg up for another 25 seconds. Another exercise down. For the third exercise of this circuit, we have mountain climber. You're going to get into a plank position, and first you can bring your left knee up to your chest, and then alternate between bring your right knee up to your chest and your left knee up to your chest. We're almost there, don't give up. For the fourth exercise of this circuit, we have Superman. You're going to lay on the ground with your face facing the ground, and then you're going to lift your arms and legs at the same time and lower them at the same time and repeat. Yay, we finally finished this exercise. For the fifth and final exercise of this circuit, we have squats. You got this. 10 more seconds, guys. Keep up the good work. Good job, guys. We finished. Please let me know in the comments below if there are any workouts that you would like to see and how I can improve my workouts for you in the future. Thank you for watching until the end of my workout, and please stay safe and stay healthy. There will be more workouts to come.